Welcome to SIRA MCQ YouTube channel. Today we discuss advanced level A-level accounting paper 2024 question number 39. This is related to partnership account. This is easy question. Look here, what are the requirements there? This is the requirements. Okay, let's see. Write the journal entries, credit and debit shorts. To record the followings, narrations is not required. We do not write the narrations. What is that? What are the requirements? Contribution of charmer to the capital of the partnership. Contribution of charmer to capital of the partnership. Second one, goodwill of the partnership. Firstly, we write the charmer investing some cash or some assets to the business. This is the capital. Look here. The capital is contribution means investing of charmer to capital. The capital meaning is asset investing of the partnership. Look here. First one, we read the question. Amal and Bimal carried out a partnership without a written agreement. You know, without a written agreement, they carry out the business. Therefore, the partnership ordinance was impacted. Therefore, what is the profit to loss ratio is equal. Okay, no written agreement, there is no profit to loss ratio. Therefore, the partnership ordinance said profit to loss should be equal. Therefore, next one, charmer, this is the another partner. This is the Amal and Bimal carried out the business partnership without written agreement. Charmer, the new one, joined the partnership 1st April 2024. This is the opening date of the year. Okay, by the investing 1,000,000 in cash and land worth of 2 million is 2,000. This is the investing to the capital. Okay, on this day, the goodwill of the partnership was estimated 1.2 million. A new partnership is also continued without written agreement. Without written agreement means again profit to loss ratio was equal. Okay, what is that? Firstly, contribution of charmer to capital of the partnership 1,000. No, you know, he invested, there are two assets. What is that? Firstly, 1,000 in cash and land worth of 2,000. What is that? What is the double entry? Firstly, we asset debit. Okay, asset debit it. What is the asset? Cash control. Cash control. Cash control. Cash control debit. Cash control debit 1 million. 1 million means 1,000. No. Second, land. This is a land investing. No, there is a land debit. Land debit 2 million. 2 million means 2,000. Okay, next one, credit to capital account. Charmer capital account. Capital account. Capital account. Charmer. Charmer credit. Credit the sum of that 3,000. Okay, next one, what is that? Goodwill of the partnership. How can we adjust the goodwill? Through the capital account. No, how can we calculate? Old ratio capital account credit. Okay, old ratio, old profit to loss ratio we credit to capital account. We debit to capital account new ratio, profit to loss new ratio. What is the goodwill total amount? Total amount is 1.2, 1,200. Therefore, we divide in firstly old ratio. What is the old ratio? This is Amal and Bimal and Charmer. No. What is the old persons? Old persons are Amal and Bimal. This is the old person. Old. No. Therefore, the old ratio is, what is it? Equal. Equal means 1 to 1. 1 to 1. Only A and B. This is the old ratio. Okay, therefore we credit to capital accounts old ratio the total estimated goodwill. The goodwill of the partnership was estimated 1.2 million 1200. We credit to capital accounts equal to A and B. Okay, A and B equal means 600 and 600. Okay, firstly I credit to capital accounts which Amal. Firstly Amal credit old ratio we must be credit to account, credit means credit side, no, 600. Again capital account, which capital account? Bimal capital account credit which amount 600 and 600 total is 1200. After that we debit to capital accounts new ratio is equal means new ratio 1 at the new partnership, at the new ratio calculation identification, C is a new partner. Okay, therefore this new ratio is 1 this is a new ratio, therefore I use 1 this is 3, no, I 1200 divided in 3, answer is 400, therefore 400 debit to capital accounts as a new ratio. Okay, therefore capital accounts, there are 3 capital accounts: capital account, sorry, this one, capital account, which names? Amal, Bimal and Chamara. Debit which accounts? How much amount? 400 for 3 partners. This is the goodwill calculation, goodwill adjustment. This is the end of the question. This is the answers. In next video we meet. There is a conceptual framework, there is a theory part. We meet in next video, question number 40.